Zoe, are you hyped? Zoe, how'd you like it? Yeah.
She wants to do it again.
Where are you going now, little slide girl? Oh, you want to do that stuff. Oops. Look at you, little one.
Wonker in the head.
Yep. Oh, where are you going now? Oh. Hey, Zoe, can you stop and say hi to your legion of fans on the internet? Too busy. Okay.
I'm going to try this.
Are you going to climb on the ropes? Hey, Zoe, you want to climb on the big girl ropes? Up. Say that again. What'd you say? Look at Mommy. Oh, my goodness. She's too big for that, isn't she? Look at Mommy. What's she doing? Is she being silly? You guys are two of a kind. Yeah. Yeah, your Mommy. Look at that.